In front of me is LENOVO Legion Tab Gen 3, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app. Now tap on while using and allow in all pop-ups if you never used Recorder before, and click on this blue button at the bottom to start. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To add a bookmark, click on this left icon, and to end it and save it, tap on the right one with a check mark. Now to find your recording, click on this icon of 3 lines at the top right corner. To listen to it, click on it. And to manage it, hold it and use all of those options at the bottom, like rename or delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!